Hey everybody, this is Nick over here at Lingo Networks. Today we're going to be doing a little review and we're going to show you how to set up your Lingo Networks email account on Macintosh, or Mac as it's more commonly referred to. Um, this is going to be a quick video. Hopefully if you are using Mac, you have found the right video. If you're using Windows and you're looking for the other videos on how to set up your email address, those will be linked down in the description below. But if you're using Apple products, either a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac Pro, iMac, any Apple product that's running any OS X version, then this is the video for you. Like I said, we're going to show you how to set up your email account. So that way you can start using your emails within the built-in mail application for Apple. So let's go ahead and get started here. So here I am on the desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click down here on the mail, little post icon here. And since I don't have any accounts added, I'm going to go ahead and add one now. So I'm going to get this little pop-up here. It says choose a mail account to add, and I don't have an iCloud or an Exchange. We're going to go ahead and click down here at the add other mail account. And then once we click that, we're going to click continue. And there's my name is Nick, but I want to change this today to test. Now, typically when you put in the full name up here, this is the name that appears when you send somebody else an email. Almost like when you write your like a return address on an envelope, it's essentially the same thing. So if you're using a business, if you're using the Lingo Networks email as a business, you can type in your business name here, or first last name, whatever you want to do. But today mine's going to be test. So go ahead and fill that in first. And then once you've completed that, we're going to get on to email address. And then go ahead and type in your email address. Mine today is lingotest@lingonetworks.net. And then once that's done, we can go ahead and tab down, or we can click down, go to password, and go ahead and type in your password. And I'm going to click create. See, now it tried to find the settings automatically, but it couldn't, so it says the account must be manually configured. That's okay. So let's go ahead and click next. Now we have two options here. We can set it up as an IMAP or a POP. Lingo Networks does still support POP. However, if you were setting up your email account for the first time, we do recommend that you use IMAP. So we're going to go ahead and select IMAP there. And then for the mail server, we're going to type in mail, M-A-I-L, not M-A-L-E, .lingo networks.net. Now make sure you spell this correctly. A lot of the times they get the O and the W mixed up. It's really easy to do, especially when you try to type fast like I do. I get that it's kind of mixed up. So make sure that the mail server says mail.lingonetworks.net. And then username. Now it automatically populated that with Lingo test. That was because that was the first part of my email address. That was before the @ symbol. In some cases, this works with other email providers. However, for added security, Lingo Networks requires that you add your full email address to the username. So really, in theory, all you should have to do is just add the @ symbol and then lingonetworks.net. So just make sure that your full email address is in the username box there. Password should obviously by itself go ahead and populate in there, so that's okay. And then we'll go ahead and press next. It's going to sign us in. Now it says it can't be verified, but that's fine. You want to go ahead and just click connect. It's going to verify some more. And now we're going to need to add the outgoing mail server information. It verified the incoming for us, so now we just need to go ahead and punch in the outgoing. So for the SMTP server up there, we're going to type in those same four letters, SMTP, that's Sierra, Michael, Tango, Papa, .lingonetworks.net. And then username. This is very crucial. This is not optional. We need to enter this information. So it's going to be the same as it was before as our incoming. We're going to type in our full email address. So mine's going to be lingotest@lingonetworks.net. And then our password is going to be, well, if I can type it correctly, it's going to be your password. And then once you got that information clicked in there, or typed in there, excuse me, you can go ahead and click create. It's going to sign us in. Same verify certificate comes up. That's okay. We just click connect. It's going to verify. And there we go. Our email account has been created. Now we can go ahead and start creating email messages. If I had any emails, they'd be populating in here, but since this is a test account, There are no emails in there. I didn't get any errors, nothing popped up, so everything went in correctly. So as long as you follow along with the steps with us today, um, your email should now be good to go. If you're watching this video because you're trying to update your settings, we'll go ahead and take a look at that real quick. So let me go ahead and quit out of the whole mail application. So now if you're just trying to update your settings and there's security protocols, we're going to go ahead, follow along with me now. I'm going to go to security system preferences. I have mine by default down here on the system preferences on my dock. However, you can also access it by going to the Apple logo in the top left corner and then clicking system preferences right there. Just as long as you get there, that's all that really matters. Then once we get there, we're going to go to Internet Accounts. And another quick little tip for you if you didn't know, if you were unsure about where to go in here, you could type up here, well, I'm looking for Mail. What's going to tell you either iCloud, Internet Accounts, or Parental Controls. But we're going to want to go to Internet Accounts. And once that pops up, see here the Mail, the Lingo test. Well, it's going to show us that that's okay. We can click Connect. There's our email address here. And then we just want to go to Advanced. And then once we click on that, it's going to show us the mail.lingonetworks.net, and then we don't need to worry about the path prefix, the port 143. So just make sure that your account settings match this right here, and if it does, we're going to go ahead and press OK, and that's it. We're done. We're all set up. So if you have any questions or any concerns about this whole process, let's say you've entered all the information incorrectly and you're still having issues setting up your email account, go ahead and give us a call at the Lingo call center. It's 877-745-4646. We have agents there from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week to assist you with any of your problems. Just make sure that everything is typed in correctly. Like I said, the beautiful thing about this video is you can kind of go back and pause and just kind of verify across the screens that everything is entered correctly. And like I said, if you're still having problems after everything is still entered correctly, go ahead and give us a call and we can see what we can figure out for you. Thank you for watching the video today, and we hope you have a great day.